Hello friends, now let us start the new topics, that is a general second degree equation in x and y. I will explain all the theoretical part, all short examples and all examples from the exercise 4.3 in a very simple language. Now let us start. Let's study general second degree equation in x and y. Equation of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, where at least one of a, b, h is not 0 is called general second degree equation in x and y. Now the theorem. The combined equation of two lines is a general second degree equation in x and y. Proof. Let u is equals to a1x plus b1y plus c1 and v is equals to a2x plus b2y plus c2. Equations u is equals to 0 and v is equals to 0 represent lines. Their combined equation u into v is equals to 0. Therefore, a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2, that's equals to 0. Now their product, a1x into a2x, then you will get a1 a2x square, a1x into b2y, then you will get a1 b2xy, a1x into c2, then you will get a1 c2x. Similarly, next terms are b1y into a2x is a b1 a2xy, b1y into b2y is a b1 b2y square, b1y into c2, that is the you will get b1 c2y. Next is a c1 into a2x, then you will get c1 a2x, c1 into b2y, then you will get c1 b2y, and the last is a c1 into c2, that's equals to 0. Now here we consider here a1 a2 is a1 into a2 is a, and next the coefficients of xy. Here is the coefficient of xy. What is that? a1 b2 and the b1 a2, they will treat it as a 2h. Next is the coefficient of x. Where is the coefficient of x? That is a1 c2 and here is a c1 a2. Then the addition of that is treated as a 2g. And the next is the coefficient of y. What is that? b1 c2 and c1 b2 plus that is equals to 2f, and the last is c1 into c2, that is equals to c. And therefore we get the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, which is the general equation of second degree in x and y. Now the remark. The converse of the above theorem is not true. Every general second degree equation in x and y did not represent a pair of lines. Okay. For example, x square plus y square is equals to 25. This is the second degree equation. Then it must represent a pair of straight line, joint equation of pair of straight line is a general second degree equation in x and y, but it does not represent a pair of lines that you are learning in the 11th standard in Mathematics 1. It represents a circle, standard circle, whose center is origin and the radius is 5. Okay, it represents a circle. Equation x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 13 is also a second degree equation which does not represent a pair of lines. How to identify? Then how to identify that whether the given equation represent a pair of lines or not? The necessary condition for a general secondary equation, that is a ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 to represent a pair of lines are. What is that condition? ABC plus 2 times fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equals to 0. This is first one. And the second is that is the hs square minus ab is greater than or equals to 0. Now the remark. If the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 present a pair of lines, then these lines are parallel to the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. This is general equation, and that lines does not passes through the origin. Okay, but the if we consider the joint equation in this manner, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0, then the lines of these joint equation are parallel to the lines of this joint equation which passes through the origin. These lines do not passes through the origin. Suppose that if I draw the coordinate geometry in this manner, okay, this is, now see this again here, I will draw again, see this here, the first is this is the x-axis, okay, and this is the y-axis. Now my two lines, first that is the joint equation which is the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. This is the joint equation of the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to, this line passes through the origin. These are the L1 and L2. But if I draw the another lines, they are like this here. Suppose that this line is L1 and there is another line which is the parallel to this L1 and which is the capital L1. Also there is another line that is a L2 and it is a parallel to this line. Okay. Now the lines which passes through the origin, they are correspondingly parallel to the capital L1 and the capital L2. They are parallel. They have the equal slopes. Therefore, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to represent a pair of lines. These lines are parallel to these lines. Okay. And here we will see the again next topics. Okay. Okay. The acute angle between the lines is same. That is the tan theta is equals to in mod of 2 in root of hs square minus ab upon a plus b. Condition for the lines to be perpendicular to each other is the same. That is a plus b is equals to 0. Means what? Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equals to 0. Condition for the lines to be parallel is hs square minus ab is equals to 0. Condition for the lines to intersect each other is hs square minus ab is positive, that is greater than 0, and the coordinate of the point of intersection are hf minus bg upon ab minus hs square, gh minus af upon ab minus hs square. The expression abc plus 2 times fgh minus af square minus bg square minus chs square is the expansion of this determinant, which is A, I will read it in this manner, A, B, C, F, G, H, and these are the diagonal elements, that is, these are the elements, they are symmetrical matrix. This is the symmetrical, F is F, G, G, H, H. How to remember this? Consider this diagonal as a ABC and then F, G, H, and this is the symmetrical matrix. The joint equation of the bisector of the angles between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0 is hs square minus in bracket a minus b bracket complete into xy minus hy square is equals to 0. And here the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square is 0. Clearly it is a plus h and minus h, that's equals to 0. Hence the bisectors are perpendicular to each other. Now the solve examples. The first example, show that the equation x square minus 6xy plus 5y square plus 10x minus 14y plus 9 is equals to 0 represent a pair of lines. Find the acute angle between them. Also, find the point of intersection, okay, of that two lines. Now here we have x square minus 6xy plus 5y square. We can factorize this. Okay, the factors are the product of these two. First, that is the x square and is 1 and here is a 5. 1 into 5 is 5. The factors are minus 5xy minus xy, and therefore here you will get the factors x minus 5y into in second bracket x minus y. Okay. Suppose that x square minus 6xy plus 5y square plus 10x minus 14y plus 9 is equals to. Now this line passes through the origin and these do not passes through the origin. And suppose that constant is c here and constant is k. Okay. And therefore This is our required given line, and we will perform the product of these two brackets. That is x into x, you will get x square. X into y, you will get the minus xy. Next is a minus 5xy plus x. Okay, then you will get minus 5xy, and overall you will get minus 6xy. Next is a, after multiplication of these two brackets, then you will get x square minus 6xy plus 5y square. What about the other coefficients terms? That is a c plus x into x minus in bracket c plus 5k bracket completed into y plus ck. If you perform the product of these two brackets, then you will get this expression. Now what is here? On this expression, that is x square minus 6xy plus 5y square plus 10x minus 14y plus 9, and that's equals to this whole term. But next, what is that? The coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? To the right hand side it is a c plus k, and to the left hand side it is a 10. Therefore c plus k is equals to 10. And the coefficient of y is a minus 14. Here is a minus c in bracket minus in bracket c plus 5k. Therefore c plus 5k is equals to 14. That is equate the coefficient of here 10, and here is a c plus k. Here is a 14, and here is a c plus 5k. Equate it and solve this. If we add these two expressions, then if we subtract the expression, then you will get, that is a, here is a k is equals to, if we add the subtract this expression, that is a c plus, I write here c plus 5k is equals to 14, and next is a c plus k is equals to 10, and their subtraction minus minus, and here is a minus. You will get here, that is a 4k is equals to 4, and hence k is equals to 1. Substitute the value of k in this equation, then you will get c is equals to 9. Therefore we observe that the c is equals to 9 and k is equals to 1 satisfy all three conditions. The given general equation can be factorized as, that is a x in first bracket x minus 5y plus 9, in second bracket x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore the given equation represents a pair of intersecting lines, the acute angle between them. What is the formula? Tan theta is equals to mod of 2 in root of hs square minus ab upon a plus b. Substitute the value of h and ab. Now here the value of h is a minus 3, and it is a minus 3. A and b. What is the value of a? Value of a is 1 and b is a 5. A is 1 and b is a 5 upon a plus b, that is 1 plus 5. Here is a mod of that is in root 2 times in root of minus 3 bracket square minus 1 into 5 is 5. Minus 3 square is a 9. 9 minus 5, that is a 4. Square root of 4 is a 2. 2 into 2, 4. Okay. 4 upon 6. And if we divide it, then if we simplify it, then you will get tan theta is equals to 2 by 3. And hence theta is equals to tan inverse of 2 by 3. Their point of intersection is given by the formula. You can substitute the value of hf minus bg, again ab minus hs square, and after the calculations from this expression, you take the values of what is that a, b, c, f and h, g and h. Then you will get their point of intersection by using this formula. Also, instead of remembering that formula, complicated formula, you solve these two equations simultaneously. What is that? X minus 5y plus 9 is equals to 0, and second is a x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. If we solve it simultaneously, for example, here if we subtract this equation, then x will get cancelled and plus y minus, here you will get minus 4y, and minus 4y is equals to 8, and therefore y is equals to minus 2 is y is equal. If we subtract it, okay, then you will get here minus 4y is equals to minus 8, and hence that is a y is equals to 2, and in this way you will get the value of x also. Now the next is a remark. Note that the condition ABC plus 2 times FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CHS square is not sufficient for the equation to represent a pair of lines. We can't use this condition to show that the given equation represents a pair of lines. Now next, find the value of k if the equation 2x square plus 4xy minus 2y square plus 4x plus 8y plus k represent a pair of lines. Comparing this equation with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Then here you will get a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 2, c is equals to, here is a k, and f is equals to 4, g is equals to 2, h is equals to 2. And as the given equation represents a pair of lines, it must satisfy the necessary condition. ABC plus 2 times FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CHS square is equals to 0. And substitute the value of A, B, C. That is A is 2, B is minus 2, C is a K. 2 times FGH, that is a 2, F is 4, G is 2, H is 2. Okay. Then minus AF square, that is a 2 in bracket 4 square minus in bracket minus 2 into 2 square minus k in bracket 2 square, and that's equals to 0. And if you simplify this, then you will get minus 4k plus 32 minus 32 plus 8 minus 4k, that's equals to 0. And hence 8k is equals to 8 and k is equals to 1. Next, find p and q if the equation 2x square plus 4xy minus py square plus 4x plus qy plus 1 is equals to 0 represent a pair of perpendicular lines. Now the solution. Comparing given equation with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. We get a is equals to 2. Then if we compare it, then you will get a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus p, c is equals to 1, f is equals to, okay, q by 2, and g is equals to, here is a 2, h is equals to, again you will get 2 if we compare it. And then as the lines are perpendicular to each other, then what is the condition? The coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, that's equals to 0. What is the a? A is 2, coefficient of x square is a 2, coefficient of y square is a minus p, that is p plus in bracket minus 2, that's equals to 0, and hence p is equals to 2. As the given condition represent a pair of lines, it must satisfy the necessary condition. What is the necessary condition? ABC plus 2 times FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CHS square is equals to 0. Now substitute the values. That is a 2 into minus p into 1 plus 2 times, what is that? The value of f is a q by 2, g is a 2, h is 2 minus 2. F square means what? Q by 2 bracket square minus bg square, the value of g is a minus p, okay, g square, and the g is a 2, and here minus 1, c means 1, and h is a 2, it's a square. And if we simplify this, what is the product of these two? 2 into minus p into 1, it's minus 2p. And next here is a 2 get cancelled, you will get 4q. And what is it again? That is a q square upon 4, and then you will get q square upon 2. And next is a here minus and minus, that will become plus. That is here you will get 4p. And last is a minus 4, that's equals to 0. Again, to simplify this, here is a minus 2p. And make minus 2p plus 4p, that will become 2p plus 4q minus q square upon 2 minus 4. Now multiply or substitute the value of p, that's we have calculated here. P is equals to 2. Substitute here p is equals to 2, that is a 2 into p plus 4q minus q square upon 2 minus 4 is equals to 0. 2 into here 2, 4, and this plus 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled. And you will get here 4q minus q square upon 2 is equals to 0. And again if you simplify it, then you will get, if you multiply 2 on both sides, then you will get 8q minus q square is equals to 0. If you take q as a common, then in bracket, then you will get q in bracket 8 minus q is equals to 0. And that's why q is equals to 0 or q is equals to 8. Okay. Next problem. Triangle OAB is formed by the lines x square minus 4xy plus y square is equals to 0 and the line x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. That is, using this the triangle is formed. First joint equation is x square minus 4xy plus y square is equals to 0 and this line x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Find the equation of the median of the triangle drawn from the O. Now see this here. These joint equation that we have given and this is the line which is x plus y is equals to 2. We want to find out the equation of this median which is the OP. Okay. Solution. Let the coordinates of A and B are x1, y1 and B are x2, y2 respectively. The midpoint of segment AB is P x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Coordinates of A and B can be obtained by solving the given equation of the line, that is x plus y is equals to 2 and x square minus 4xy plus y square is equals to 0 simultaneously. Now put here from this equation y is equals to, what is the value of y? Y is equals to 2 minus x. 2 minus x in this equation which is the joint equation x square minus 4xy plus y square is equals to 0. त्यामध्ये आपण ती y ची व्हॅल्यू टाकणार. Then you will get x square minus 4x in bracket, value of the y is a 2 minus x plus again value of the y 2 minus x bracket square, that's equals to 0. Now expand this. This equation, this is the x square minus 4, here you will get, I will write here x square, okay, and minus 8x plus 4 x square plus, here is a 4 minus 4x plus x square and that's equals to 0. Now collect the terms of x square plus 4x, 5x square and plus x square, 6x square. What about the minus 8x minus 4x minus 12x plus 4, that's equals to 0. Again divide this equation by 2. Then you will get 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. x1 and x2 are the roots of this equation. Okay. Now what is the sum of the roots? That is alpha plus beta. We apply here. What is there? That we have learned in the 10th standard. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then what is the sum of the roots? That is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. Okay. And here minus b. That is b is a 6. Minus in bracket minus 6 upon a. A is a 3. Therefore minus 6 upon 3, that is equals to 2. x1 plus x2, that is equals to 2. And therefore x1 plus x2 upon 2. x1 plus, if I write like this, x1 plus x2 is equals to 2. Divide the equation by 2, then I will get x1 plus x2 upon 2 is equals to 1. It means that we get the coordinate x1 plus x2 upon 2. And what is that coordinate? It is the 1. I will write here the x coordinate of that point P is 1. I can find out the y coordinate by substituting the value of that x in this equation. If I substitute x is equals to 1, then what I will get? That is plus 1 minus 2. Then you will get minus 1 and then y is equals to also 1. Here you will get, put the value of that x is 1 in this equation. You will get value of y is 1. The coordinate of P are 1 and 1. And now this line passes through the origin. This median passes through the origin. We'll find out its slopes. What is the slopes? Difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate. Coordinate of point P is 1, 1. Then what will be the slope of OP? That is 1 minus 0 upon 1 minus 0. Which is second coordinate? This is the second coordinate O is a. And therefore, that's why it's a slope is. Here is a slope. Slope of that line m is equals to 1. Okay, here have the apply the 2-point form of the equation of the line, but you can apply in a very simple way. The slope of line is 1. 1 point we know of that line which is 1, 1. Okay, then by using the slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1 and substitute the value. The points are y minus 1, value of m is 1 in bracket x minus 1, And then what you will get, that is here y minus 1, and here is the x again minus 1. Again you can write here that is plus 1 and minus 1 on both sides get cancelled, and you will get x minus y is equals to 0. This is the equation of the median. Now we'll start the exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Find the joint equation of pair of lines through the point 2 minus 1 and parallel to lines represented by 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square is equals to 0. The combined equation of the given lines is 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square is equals to 0. Can be factorized like this, that is a 2x square. The product of first and last term is a minus 18x square y square. Therefore, the factors are plus 6y minus 3xy. Take the common 2x, then in bracket you will get x plus 3y. Take minus 3y common, then in bracket x plus 3y, that's equals to 0. And hence x plus 3y in first bracket, second bracket 2x minus 3y is equals to 0. They are separate equations, x plus 3y is equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 0. Their slopes are m1 is equals to minus 1 by 3. That is, we can write here x plus 3y and that's equals to 0. Therefore, 3y is equals to minus x and hence y is equals to minus 1 by 3x. Similarly, we can find out the slope of the other line, which is that 2x minus 3y and that's equals to 0, and therefore 3y is equals to 2x and therefore y is equals to 2 upon 3x. Therefore, the slope of the second line is 2 by 3. The slope of the lines parallel to these lines are, that is minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Equation of the lines with these slopes are, and passing through the point 2 minus 1 r. Here we will apply the slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1 and substitute the value of y1, which is the minus and minus, that will become plus minus 1 by 3 x minus 2, and next is y plus 1 is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, and the x minus 2, and if we simplify it, then you will get the equation, that is a 3y plus 3 multiplied here 3y plus 3 minus x plus 2, and again if we simplify this, 3y plus 3 is equals to 2x minus 4, and hence that equation can be written as x plus 2y and x plus 2y plus 1. X plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0, and here is a 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. The joint equation of these lines are the product of these two lines. Okay, and therefore in first bracket x plus 3y plus 1, in second bracket 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0, and product of all these two brackets is 2x square minus 3xy minus 7x plus 6xy minus 9y square minus 21y plus 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. And after simplification, you can simplify this. That is a 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square minus 5x minus 24y minus 7 is equals to 0. What is the main theme of this? That is our lines which passes through the point 2 and minus 1. They are parallel to the joint equation represented by these two lines. Therefore, first we find out the slope of these two lines and then find the equation of the line. Okay, now the next problem. Find the joint equation of the lines which pass through the point 2 minus 3 and parallel to these lines. Okay, therefore again the slope of the lines, we will find out the slope of these two lines. That is comparing the equation x square plus xy minus y square with the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. Here a is 1, 2h is 1, b is minus 1. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines represented by 1. Okay, slope of this is the, okay, m1 and m2. Therefore, sum of the roots is equals to minus 2h upon b. Now, what is the value of 2h? 2h is 1. That is a minus 1 upon b. The value of b is a minus 1, and that's minus and minus, that will become plus. And hence, here we have m1 plus m2 is equals to 1. Products of the roots, that is the slopes, m1 into m2, that is a upon b. The value of a is 1 and b is a minus 1. 1 upon minus 1. That is a upon b is equals to minus 1. The slope of the lines parallel to these lines are m1 and m2. Because as the lines are parallel to these lines which passes to the origin. आपली जी काही लाईन आहे दिलेली ती ओरिजिन मधनं पास होते आणि आपल्याला ज्याचं जॉईंट इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे ती या पॉइंट 2-3 मधनं पास होते आणि त्या दोन्ही लाईन्स या लाईन्सला कशा आहेत तर पॅरलल आहेत. And therefore the slopes are equal, and hence the equation of that lines are, that is, here we will apply the slope point form, which is the y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1, that is y plus 3 is equals to m1 in bracket x minus 2. Next is a y plus 3 is equals to m2 in bracket x minus 2, and hence you will get here, that is m1 in bracket x minus 2 minus y plus 3 is equals to 0, and next is a m2 in bracket x minus 2 minus y plus 3 is equals to 0, and now their joint equation, that is m1 in bracket x minus 2 minus y plus 3 bracket complete, and next is a m2 in bracket x minus 2 minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. आता त्याचा product तयार करणार. How to perform? That is m1 in bracket x minus 2, m2 in bracket x minus 2. Their product is m1 into m2 x minus 2 bracket square. Next is a m1 into x minus 2 into this, that is y plus 3. Therefore, you will get minus m1 x minus 2 y plus 3. Next is a minus y plus 3 into m2 in bracket x minus 2. Therefore, here you will get m2 in bracket x minus 2 into y plus 3. And the last is the product of these two minus and minus, then you will get y plus 3 bracket square. And from this equation, you will get m1 into m2 into x minus 2 bracket square. Now from this, let's see this here, x minus 2, y plus 3, x minus 2, y plus 3. Take that 2 bracket common, and then in bracket you will get m1 plus m2 and take minus n outside. Here we will substitute the value of m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2. What is the value of m1 plus m2? m1 plus m2 is 1 and m1 into m2 is minus 1. Therefore, m1 into m2, that is a minus 1. Substitute here. Here is a minus 1. m1 plus m2 is 1. That is minus in bracket x minus 2 into y plus 3 plus y plus 3 bracket square. Here is a bracket square. And hence, if we simplify again it, then you will get x minus 2 bracket square plus y minus 2 into y plus 3 minus y plus 3 bracket square is equals to 0. Now x minus 2 bracket square, x square minus 4x plus 4. Product of these two, x into y, x into 3x, minus 2y, minus 6, minus y plus 3 bracket square, y square plus 6y plus 9 is equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus 4x plus 4, xy plus 3x minus 2y minus 6, minus y square minus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. And if we simplify this, the x square term is a single one, x square. Xy terms, here is a plus xy, that is single one. Next is a y square minus y square, minus 4x plus 3x, you will get minus x. What about the y? Minus 2y, minus 6y, minus 8y. Next is a minus 6 and minus 9, then you will get minus 15 plus 4 minus 11, that's equals to 0. And here this is the required joint equation of lines. X square plus xy minus y square minus x minus 8y minus 11 is equals to 0. म्हणजे यामध्ये काय करतो आपण की we find out the slope of that joint equation of a line which is given. आता इथे ही काय फॅक्टराइज नाही होत. मग इथे आपण एक आयडिया करतो की we find out the sum of the roots and the products of the roots and we form the equation. आहे त्या फॉर्म मध्ये m1 m2 लिहितो, त्याचं जॉईंट इक्वेशन तयार करतो आणि शेवटी मग आपण m1 आणि m2 च्या व्हॅल्यूज तिथे सबस्टिट्यूट करतो. m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2, and finally we substitute the values of m1 into m2 and m1 plus m2. Now the next question. Show that equation x square plus 2xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0 does not represent a pair of lines. Now comparing this equation x square plus 2xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. What is the value of a? A is 1. 2h or h is equals to 1. B is 2. Okay. Next is the g is 1, f is 1, c is 1. The given equation represent a pair of lines if that determinant is equals to 0. What is that determinant? Remember in this manner. या प्रकारे तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा. A, B, C, F, G, H and that's equals to 0. Symmetrical matrix H, H, G, G, F, F. And HS square minus AB is greater than or equal to 0. If we substitute the value of A, B, C, F, G, H, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. These are the values. A is 1, H is 2, B is 2, G is 1. सगळ्या किती आहेत तर त्या 1, 1 आहे. फक्त B किती आहे तर 2 आहे त्यामध्ये. B ची व्हॅल्यू फक्त इथे 2 आहे. And evaluate this determinant, that is 1 into product of these two, 2 minus 1. Next is the minus 1, product of these two. Okay, 1 into 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Next is the plus 1 and the product of these two. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is a minus 2. And if you simplify it, then you will get here is a 0. That the value of that determinant is a 0. Next is the HS square minus AB. What's happening here? That is 1 square minus 1 into 2, which is a minus 1. Therefore, the given equation does not represent a pair of lines, though the value of determinant is 0. Therefore, this is not the sufficient condition. Okay. Next, show that the 2x square minus xy minus 3y square minus 6x plus 19y minus 20 is equals to 0 represent a pair of lines. Again, comparing this with that is the 2x square minus xy minus 3y square minus 6x plus 19y minus 20 is equals to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. It's clear that the value of a is 2. What about the h? H is minus 1 upon 2. म्हणजे काय? 2hxy is equals to minus xy. Xy will get cancelled. You will get h is equals to minus 1 upon 2. The value of b is minus 2, minus 3. Value of g is a minus 3. F is a 19 by 2. And c is a minus 20. Again the determinant. A, B, C, F, G, H. Symmetrical matrix. Substitute the values of. These are the values. That is A is 2, H is minus 1 upon 2, B is a minus 3. And in this way, you can substitute it. See this here. Now, if we see this determinant, there is a fraction. That's why to make very simple way to solve this determinant, take 1 upon 2 common from this determinant. Then you will get, if we take that is a 1 upon 2 from each row or each column, then you will get 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 8 होतील ते. आता मग प्रत्येकाला किती तर 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. इथे किती होणार? 4 होणार. 4 minus 1 minus 6 आहे का? 4 minus 1 minus 6. इथनं पण 2 कॉमन काढणार. minus 1 होणार. minus 6 19. minus 1 minus 6 19. And next is a minus 6 19 minus 40. And if you evaluate this determinant, that is 4 into minus 6 minus 40 minus 19 into 90 361 plus middle term इथे minus आहे म्हणून ते काय होणार? ते plus होणार. And the product of this minus 1 and minus 40, that will become plus 40. And the product of 19 into minus 6, that will be minus, and that minus and minus, that will become plus. That is a 19 into 6 is 114. Okay. And last is a minus 6 and the product of minus 1 into 19 minus 19. And minus and product of minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36. And evaluate this. That is a 1 by 8 in bracket 4. You will get minus 121 plus here is a 154 minus 6 in bracket minus 55. And again here we can take 11 as a common. 11 upon 8 in bracket 4 minus in bracket minus 11 plus 14 minus 6 in bracket minus 5. And if we evaluate minus 44 plus 14 plus 30, that's equals to 0. Okay, if we clear it, that is a 30 plus 14 but minus 44, and overall that's equals to 0. And hence the value of this determinant that is a d is equals to 0. The first condition is satisfied. Next is the hs square minus eb. The value of h is minus 1 upon 2. We have calculated the value of h. And the b is 2 and minus 3. A and b is 2 minus 3. The product is plus 6, and if you evaluate this, then you will get 6 into 4, 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. It is a positive. Therefore, the given equation represents a pair of lines. Next, show that the equation 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3 is equals to 0 represent a pair of lines. Also, find the acute angle between them. Again, comparing this equation, 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3 is equals to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. If we compare it, then what is the value of a? A is 2. What is the value of h? H is 1 upon 2. B is minus 1. What is the value of g? 1 upon 2. What is the value of f? Is 2. C is minus 3. Again the determinant, same, symmetrical determinant. That is a, b, c, f, g, h. Substitute the value. A, b, c. A is 2, b is minus 1, and c is a minus 3, and the value of f, g, h. Okay. And evaluate this. Again, take 1 upon 2 common from each row or the column. Then you will get here 1 by 8, and here it will become 4, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1. Next is a 1 minus 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 and 4. And what about the last? Here is a 1, 4 minus 6, 1, 4 minus 6. Evaluate this. That is 4 into minus 2 into minus 6, 12. 4 into 4, 16, minus 1, in bracket minus 6, minus 4, plus 1, in bracket, what do you do? 1 into 4 is 4, minus, in bracket minus 2, that will become plus. Okay, 12 minus 16, that is a minus 4, 4 into 4, minus 16, and here is a minus 10, minus 1, plus 10, and here is a 6. What is the overall? 10 plus 6 is 16, plus 16, minus 16, and overall you will get here again that determinant d is equals to 0. आता next is काय? The h square minus ab. The value of h is 1 upon 2 and a is 2, b is minus 1, 1 by 4 plus 2, which is 9 by 4, that is a positive, and hence the given equation represents a pair of lines. Let theta be the acute angle between them, and then substitute, that is a tan theta is equals to mod of 2 in root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. फक्त यामध्ये व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार, that is a 2 in root of 1 by 2 bracket square minus 2 into minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. And what is here? That is, you can have here, that is a 2 in root of 1 by 2. That is, here you will get 1 by 4 and the plus 2 and this divided by 1. Okay. And if you simplify this, then what is you will get? That is a in root of 1, 2 into 2, 8, 8 plus 1, that will get 9. Okay. 9 चा square root किती येणार? 3, 3 by 2 upon 1, this 2 get cancelled. Overall you will get, here is a 3. म्हणजे किती मिळणार तुम्हाला? 3 मिळणार. Therefore, what is here? Tan of theta is equals to 3, and hence theta is equals to tan inverse of 3. Okay. Next question. Find the separate equations of the lines represented by the following equation. At x minus 2 bracket square minus 3 in bracket x minus 2 into y plus 1 plus 2 in bracket y plus 1 bracket square, and that's equals to 0. Now see this here, x minus 2 bracket square minus 3 in bracket x minus 2 into y plus 1 plus 2 in bracket y plus 1 bracket square. Okay, and here see this, that is a coefficient of this term is 1 and here is a 2. We can factorize it. आपण ते factorize करू शकतो. 1 into 2 is a 2 and middle term किती आहे? minus 3 आहे. Therefore minus 3 can be written as minus 2 and minus 1, and their sum is a minus 3. What about their product? Minus 2 into minus 1 is a plus 2. Okay, x minus 2 bracket square minus 2 in bracket x minus 2 into y plus 1 minus in bracket x minus 2 into y plus 1 plus 2 in bracket y plus 1 bracket square. Now from these two terms, okay, from these two terms we can take x minus 2 as a common. Then in bracket you will get x minus 2 minus 2 in bracket y plus 1. And from these terms you can take y plus 1 as a common. Then in bracket you will get y minus 2 minus 2 in bracket y plus 1, that's equals to 0. Here x minus 2, if we simplify this, then you will get x minus 2 minus 2y minus 2. And what's remaining in the next? Y plus 1. What is there? X minus 2 minus 2y minus 2. Here is x minus 2 minus 2y minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Therefore x minus 2 into x minus 2y minus 4 minus y plus 1. And next is x minus 2y minus 4, that's equals to 0. And again, if we simplify here, what is here? X minus 2y minus 4, x minus 2y minus 4, take as a common. या दोन्ही terms आपल्याला कशा येते, so we can take the common. And therefore, in bracket you will get x minus 2 minus in bracket x y plus 1. म्हणजे काय होणार की y minus y and minus 1. And if we simplify it, then you will get x minus y minus 2 minus 1. That will become minus 3. And therefore, the separate equations of the lines are x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0 and x minus y minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, you can simplify this. Next is a 10 in bracket x plus 1 bracket square plus x plus 1 into y minus 2 minus 3 in bracket y minus 2 bracket square, that's equals to 0. Now again here we write here that is a x plus 1 as a and y minus 2 as a b. Then we can write here that is a 10a square plus ab minus 3b square. It's very simple quadratic equation. The product of first and last term, that is a minus 30. Okay, and what about the middle term? Middle term is a 1 whose coefficient I am considering only the coefficient. Then what will be the factors? That is a 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 and the product of 6 into minus 5, that is minus 30. Therefore AB can be factorized at minus, that is a 6AB minus 5AB and minus 3B square as it is. Okay, now from these two terms we will take common, that is a 2A, then in bracket you will get 5A plus 3B. From these two terms you can take common as a minus B, then in bracket you will get 5A plus B, that's equals to 0. Therefore take the common 5A plus B, then what is the remaining in bracket? 2A minus B, that's equals to 0. The separate equations are 5A plus 3B is equals to 0. 2A minus B is equals to 0. Now we substitute the value of A. A is x plus 1, B is y minus 2 and that's equals to 0. Here that is a 2 in bracket x plus 1 minus in bracket y minus 2, that's equals to 0. Simplify this. Then you will get 5x plus 5, 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. 2x plus 2 minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Again simplification, 5x plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. 2x minus y plus 2 that will become 4. And hence these are the separate equations. What is the final answer? That is a 5x plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0 and 2x minus y plus 4 is equals to 0. Now the next problem. Find the value of k if the following equation represent a pair of lines. Okay, 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square plus 16x plus k is equals to 0. Again the comparing with the general equation, which is the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Then what are the values? A is 3, h is 5, b is 3, g, the terms, that is the coefficient of x is not present there. Therefore value of g is 0. What about the, that is the value 2fy is equals to 16y and that's why f is 8 and c is equals to k. Okay, now the given equation represent a pair of lines, then this value of this expression must be 0. What is that expression? ABC plus 2 times FGH minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equals to 0. Now substitute the value of a. A is 3, b is 3, c is k. Then 2, f, g, h. The value of f is 8, g is a 0, and h is a, what is the value of h is 5. Overall that will become 0. That is a minus 3, a f square. F is again 8 square minus 3, g square, bg square. Okay, this will again become 0. And the last is a c, k, ch square means k 5 square. And again the simplification of this is a 9k. This will become 0. And here is a 64 into 3, 192. Again 0. And here you will get minus 25k is equals to 0. Again, if you simplify this, that is a 9k minus 25k. You will get minus 16k minus 192. Therefore, minus 16k is equals to 192. Therefore, k is equals to 192 upon minus 16. And hence k is equals to minus 12. Now next, kxy plus 10x plus 6y plus 4 is equals to 0. Again comparing with the given equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Here, the value of a is not present there. The ax square is not present. A is 0. What about the h? H is k by 2. That is a 2hxy is equals to kxy. Xy get cancelled. H is a k by 2. Next, the value of b. The value of b, that is equals to 0 again. The y square term is also not present there. Next to the 2gx is equals to 10. Therefore, the g is equals to 5. Next is the 2fy is equals to 6y. Therefore, f is equals to 3 and the constant c, that is equals to 4. Now the given condition, that is the given equation represent a pair of lines. We have given that. It represents a pair of lines. It must satisfy this condition. What is that? ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equals to 0. The product a 0, b 0, c is 4 plus 2, f is 3, g is 5, h is equals to, you can remember this, you can write down from the above, h is k by 2 minus af square, this will become 0, bg square, that will also become 0, minus c is a 4 and h is a k by 2 bracket square. And again if we simplify this, then you will get the first term will be 0. What about here? Here is a 15k. Okay, now here is the k upon 2 bracket square means what? K square by 4. 4 get cancelled. That is a minus k square. 15k minus k square. Again take minus k as a common. Then in bracket k minus 15 is equals to 0. Therefore k is equals to 0 or k is equals to 15. If k is equals to 0, then the given equation becomes 10x plus 6y plus 4 is equals to 0, which do not represent a pair of lines if k is equals to 0, and that does not represent a pair of straight line. Okay, then what will be the value of that? The k is equals to must be 15, and this is the answer. Now the next question, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square plus x minus 5 plus k is equals to 0. Again comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. The value of a is 1 and h is 3 by 2, b is 2 and g is 1 by 2, f is minus 1 by 2 and c is k. We got the values. Now the given equation represents a pair of lines. The value of determinant must be 0. Okay, therefore the value of this determinant must be 0. A, B, C, F, G, H, symmetrical matrix. Substitute the values. What is that? A is 1, H is 3 by 2, G is 1 upon 2. Again H is 3 by 2, B is 2, F is minus 1 by 2. And next is a G is a 1 upon 2, symmetrical. Here is a F minus 1 by 2. C is K. Again take 1 by 2 common from each row of the column. Then if we take the 1 by 2 common, then this will become 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. This will become 3, 4, minus 1. And what about here? 1, minus 1, 2k. And that's equals to 0. Now evaluate this determinant. That is a 2 in bracket 8k and minus 1. minus 3 in bracket 6k plus 1, 1, that is a 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, and that's equals to 0. Now again here, 2 into 8k, minus 16k, minus 2, minus 3 into 6k, minus 18k, minus 3, and what about here, minus 7, that's equals to 0. Minus 16k, minus 18k, minus 2k, minus 3, minus 7, 10, minus 10, minus 2, minus 12. Therefore, minus 2k is equals to 12 and k is equals to minus 6. Okay. Now the next question. Find p and q if the equation px square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equals to 0 represent a pair of perpendicular lines. As the lines are perpendicular to each other, the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, that must be 0. The given equation represents a pair of lines perpendicular to each other. Therefore, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is 0. Coefficient of x square is p and y square is 3. P plus 3 is equals to 0, and that's why p is equals to minus 3. Okay, and we can write here. Next, we want to find out the value of p. We get the value of p. Okay. Now again compare this equation with this. We got the value of p, which is minus 3. That is a minus 3x square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equals to 0. Compare it with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. If we compare it, then a is minus 3, h is minus 4, b is a 3, g is 7, f is 1, c is a q. Substitute in this determinant a, b, c, f, g, h. What is the value of a, b, c? A is minus 3, b is 3, c is q. F is 1, g is 7, and h is, the value of h is minus 4, and this is the determinant. Evaluate it. Minus 3, then 3q minus 1. Minus that will become 4. The product of minus 4q minus 7. Then 7 in bracket minus 4 minus 21. The product of these two, minus 9q plus 3, minus 16q minus 28, minus 4 minus 21 minus 25, minus 25 into 7 minus 175, and overall you will get minus plus 3 minus 28 minus 25 minus 25 plus 175, that will become 200, and that's why minus 25q minus 200, and that's equals to 0. Okay, and therefore minus 25 plus 8 is equals to 0. It means that q is equals to minus 8, and hence the p is minus 3 and q is minus 8. Now next problem. Find p and q if the equation 2x square plus 8xy plus py square plus qx plus 2y minus 15 is equals to 0 represent a pair of parallel lines. The given equation is 2x square plus 8xy plus py square plus qx plus 2y minus 15 is equals to 0. Again we will compare here. Similar types of the problems are here. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. After comparing here, you will get value of a is 2, h is 4, b is p, and g is a q upon 2, f is 1, c is minus 15. Since the lines are parallel, okay, we represent a parallel lines. As the lines are parallel, they will satisfy the condition. What was that condition? That is h square is equals to ab, and here we will write here h is, what is the value of h? H is 4. AB is a 2 into 4, that is a 4 square. A is a 2, B is P, and therefore the 16 upon 2, you will get 8. The value of P is 8. Now since the given lines represent a pair of lines, and therefore the value of that determinant is equals to 0. Again substitute the value of A, B, C and F, G, H, then you will get, okay. Then evaluate this determinant. B is equals to P is equals to 8. If you substitute it and evaluate this determinant, that is a 2 in bracket 8 into minus 15 minus 120, 1 into 1 that is minus 1 is here. Minus 4 in bracket, product of these two, 4 into minus 15, minus 60, minus the product of q by 2 into 1, that is a q by 2, minus q by 2, and last is a q by 2 into product of 4 into 1 is 4, minus q by 2 into 8, that is a 4 cube, that's equals to 0. Now evaluate this. Minus 120 minus 1, that is a minus 121, minus 121 into 2, minus 242, and the next is a minus 4 into minus 60 plus 240, minus 4 into minus q by 2, that is a q, 2q is here. Next is a q by 2 into 4, then you will get 2q, q by 2 into minus 4q, then you will get minus 2q square is equals to 0. Okay, next is a minus 2q square, 2q plus 2q, you will get 4q, and minus 2, minus 242 plus 240, that's equals to 0. And hence q square minus 2q plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the perfect square, that is q minus 1 bracket square is equals to 0. And hence q minus 1 is equals to 0. It means that q is equals to 1, and hence the value of p is 8 and q is 1. Okay. Next question. Equations of pair of opposite sides of parallelogram are x square minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0 and y square minus 14y plus 40 is equals to 0. Find the joint equation of their diagonals. Suppose that if we consider this is a parallelogram, okay, and their opposite sides, okay, is given, that is x square minus 2x plus 6, and the vertical, that is a y square minus 14y plus 40, and that's equals to 0. Now here the ABCD be the parallelogram such that their combined equations of the AB and the CD, that is x square. If we consider the, what is that, ABCD, if I consider like this, A, B, C and D. The AB and CD is x square minus 7x plus 6, and the combined equation of BC and CD, BC combined equation of BC and AD is y square minus 14y plus 40 is equals to 0. Now their separate equation, x square minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. Separate it, then you will get x minus 1 into x minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 1 and x minus 1 is equals to 0 and x minus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, let the equation of the sides x minus 1 is equals to 0 and the equation of the side CD be AB's equation kiti the x minus 1 is equals to 0 and CD kiti x minus 6 is equals to 0. Again the separate equation of the another line, which is y square minus 14y plus 40. What are the factors? Minus 4 and minus 10. In first bracket you will get minus 4, in second bracket you will get minus 10. Y minus 4 is equals to 0 and y minus 10 is equals to 0. Let the equation of the side BC, y minus 4 is equals to 0, and the equation of side AD, that is y minus 10 is equals to 0. See this here. The equation of the AB, that is x is equals to 1, and the equation of the CD is x is equals to 6. These lines are parallel to y axis. Equation of BC, y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 10. We want to find out their equations of their diagonals. Okay, coordinates of the vertices. It's clear that here is x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 10. The coordinate of A is 110. Coordinate of D, here x is equals to 6 and y is 10. It is 6 and 10. Coordinate of B, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4. Coordinate of C, x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 4. Equation of the diagonal AC. Now find out the equation of the diagonal AC. See this here. If I draw the diagonal here like this AC, then I can find out this equation by using the first find out its their slope and pass that line one of the point, that is A or C. Now here the their equations y minus y1 upon x minus x1 and x1, y1, these are the points, and here their slopes. What is that? Difference of y coordinate, that is a 10 minus 4 upon 1 minus 6. Okay, and evaluate this. Y minus 10 upon x minus 1, 10 minus 4, that is a 6. 6 upon minus 5, and perform their product. That is minus 5 minus 5 into minus 10 plus 50, and to the right hand side 6x minus 6, and here 6x plus 5y minus 56, that's equals to 0. This is the equation of AC. Okay. Next, the equation of BD. These are the 2 points. Again, if I join this BD, then find out the slope of BD and pass that line from the one of the point B or D. And here the same thing is here. That is a y, we have taken the point B. Y minus y1, that is y minus 4 upon x minus x1, that is x minus 1. And here is the slope of BD. That is a 4 minus 10, difference of y coordinate, upon difference of x coordinate, 1 minus 6. And if you simplify this, then you will get minus 6 upon minus 5. That is y minus 4 upon x minus 1 is equals to 6 upon 5. Cross multiplication. 5y minus 20. 5 into y, 5y. 5 into 4, 20. 6 into 1, 6. And 6 into x, 6x. Okay, minus 1. That is a 6 into x is 6, and 6 into minus 1, minus 6. या प्रकारे तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करू शकता किंवा you know the 2 points, apply the 2-point form, or find out the slope of the line and pass that line through the any one point by using the slope point form. And here this is the equation of the diagonal BD, that is 6x plus 5y plus 14, that's equals to 0. And their joint equation. The first is, what is the first equation? 6x plus 5y minus 56 is equals to 0. And second is a 6x minus 5y plus 14 is equals to 0. Their joint equation. You can perform their product. Okay. Multiplication तुम्ही हे करू शकता यामध्ये. That is a 6x into 6x, 36x square. 6x into minus 5y minus 30xy. 6x into 14, that is 84x. 5y into 6x, 30xy. 5y into minus 5y minus 25y square. 5y into 40, that is a 70y. Next is a minus 56 into 6, that is 336x. Next is a minus 56 and this minus, that will become plus, that is a 280y, and the product of minus 56 into 14, that is a minus 784, that's equals to 0. Again their simplification, then you will get 36x square minus 25y square, and the terms of minus 30 here plus and minus get cancelled. Next is a 252x, that is the terms of the x, 84x and minus 336x. Then you will get minus 252x. Next is the terms of the y, 280y and 70y. Then you will get, that is a 350y, and last is a minus 784, that's equals to 0. या प्रकारे तुम्ही ते सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकता. ते नॉर्मल आहे. And overall this is the joint equation of that diagonals. Okay. Now the question number 10. Triangle OAB is formed by the lines x square minus 4xy plus y square is equals to 0 and the line 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. या प्रकारचं सॉल्ड एक्झाम्पल होतं. Find the equation of the median of the triangle drawn from O. Again here see this figure, the joint equation, and this is the line. What's the equation is given? 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. The OD is the median and D is the midpoint of the AB. In similar manner, we'll prove here. We will find out the equation of the median. D be the midpoint of AB. The coordinate of A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. And here the midpoint, that is the coordinate of the D is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. The joint equation of the lines OA and the OB is, okay, we have given it, that x square minus 4xy plus y square. Okay. The equation of the line AB is 2x plus 3y minus 1. This is the AB, its equation. Okay. Points A and B satisfy the equation. That is a 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0 and x square minus 4xy plus y square is equals to 0 simultaneously. If we substitute the value of A and B, then these two equations satisfy the equation. We eliminate x from this equation. Okay. Then how to eliminate that is here I can write here that is a 2x is equals to minus, that is 1 minus 3y, and hence x is equals to 1 minus 3y upon 2. Substitute this value of x in this joint equation. X square minus 4xy plus y square is equals to 0. And if we substitute it, then what you will get? 1 minus 3y upon 2 bracket square minus 4 in bracket 1 minus 3y upon 2 into y plus y square is equals to 0. And after simplification, what's the LCM? LCM is 4. Multiply this equation by 4. Then you will get 1 minus 3y bracket square minus 8 in bracket 1 minus 3y into y plus 4y square, that's equals to 0. That is 1 minus 6y plus 9y square minus 8y minus 24y square, that minus and minus that will become plus 24y square plus 4y square, and that's equals to 0. What is the overall you will get? This is the 4y square, 24y square and the 9y square. Here you will get 33 plus 4, that is 37y square. What about the y terms? Minus 8y minus 6y minus 14y plus 1 is equals to 0. The roots of these equations are y1 and y2. Then what about the sum of the roots of this equation? That is a minus b upon a. The value of b is minus 14. A is a 37. Therefore 14 upon 37. And hence y1 plus y2, that is equals to 14 upon 37. It's clear. Therefore as the y coordinate of the D is, we know here that is a y1 plus y2, which is the 14 upon 37 into again 2, and overall you will get 7 upon 37. Y coordinate of D is 7 upon 37. Now this point lies on that line. Which is the line? This is the line that lies on this line. If we substitute y is equals to 7 upon 37, then you will get the value of the y. That is a 2x plus 3. 7 upon 37 minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore 2x is equals to 1 minus 21 upon 37. And if you again simplify, then you will get 2x is equals to 16 upon 37. And then x is equals to 8 upon 37. And hence the coordinate of dr 8 upon 37. 7 upon 37. Now the equation of the median OD. Okay. Now the equation is that line passes through the origin. Okay. Then you can find out the O is the origin. Then what is the slope of the OD? Slope of OD, that is equals to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. That is a 7 upon 37 upon 8 upon 37, and overall you will get 8 upon 37. This is the slope of OD. Okay, 8 upon 37, that is equals to 7 upon 8. This 37 get cancelled. You will get the slope is 7 upon 8. As the line, the median, see this here, the median passes through the origin. Its equation is of the form y is equals to mx. Okay, and we know the slope of the line. What is the slope of the line? 7 upon 8. What is the equation of the median? That is y is equals to mx. Instead of doing this, you can write here y is equals to 7 upon 8 into x. Now simplify this, then you will get 8y is equals to 7x, and it can be written as 7x minus 8y is equals to 0. This is the equation of the. This type of short example is also there. Now next question. Find the coordinate of the points of intersection of the lines represented by x square minus y square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now consider the line x square minus y square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. This equation can be written as x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, x square minus 2x plus 1 and then minus y square is equals to 0. Now this is the perfect square. It's x minus 1 bracket square minus y square. That is a square minus b square of that form. मग त्याचे फॅक्टर्स किती? In first bracket a plus b, second bracket a minus b. That in first bracket you will get x minus 1 plus y. In second bracket x minus 1 minus y. Therefore the equations are x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0 and x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. To find out the point of intersection, we will solve this equation. That is adding these two equations. What is that addition? X plus y minus 1 is equals to 0 and here is a x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. If we add these two, then what you will get? That is plus y minus y will get cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 is also get cancelled. 2x is equals to 0 and therefore x is equals to 0. As x is equals to 0, then if you substitute x is equals to 0 here, then y minus 1 is equals to 0. That is the y is equals to 1. And hence, if you substitute x is equals to 0, then here you will get 0 plus y minus 1 is equals to 0 and hence y is equals to 1. Therefore, the coordinate of the point of intersection of the lines are 0 and the 1. Okay, it's very easy problem. You can see this again here. Okay. And in this way, we have completed this chapter, that is chapter number 4. And now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.